Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I will continue with this ongoing civil justice sign-off process. Okay, and yes, it is the darkest history in the entire human kingdom that United States of America will government operations are all collapsed in pieces, and that is the truth. And USA population and the governments or everybody should accept the reality. Okay, and yes, President Joe Biden is at fault, found guilty in all counts of crime, and got all the curses from the Vatican. Okay, so all the what you all need to know is just not only President Joe Biden is handcuffed, all the national leaders worldwide are also handcuffed. So London Prime Minister, India Prime Minister, then China leader, Russia leader, Italy, everybody worldwide, everybody is handcuffed by me. So that is why everybody is in the same boat. When I am providing the civil justice, all of them are in the same boat only. All of them, all the national leaders are at fault, found guilty in all counts of crime of Vatican. And civil justice must be served now. Right? When family law services is broken in pieces, not only in United States of America, worldwide it is broken in pieces. So as of today, the awareness is there should not be divorce. And who created it? Pope Francis. What for? What is the objective behind? What is the gain and loss? Why did he have to create that? For tax mandate, to eat the tax dollars that rightfully belongs to the innocent civilians, and in the name of justice, in the name of family law, in the name of God, only he destroyed every single thing. And why there is never a fix? Why nobody could fix it? So President Joe Biden have to resign now, immediately, because all the crimes of deadliest crimes and all systems are broken in pieces. DCF, Department of Children and Family Systems, is broken. They have to be only in jail right now. They cannot even operate. But shamelessly they are operating, and they have to do it that way because of the population will be in extreme torture mode if the operations are all shut down, sealed and shut down. Software world will panic. They are all in a absolutely shock mode. Right? Software world like Microsoft, Google, Apple, everybody is in absolute total shock mode because the systems, operations, everything has been crashed. Down to the calendar level, down to the month level, it's been crashed. So what is President Joe Biden going to do being a lawyer? So at least he should be the happiest president in the whole entire planet, that when he was born and welcomed to the earth, he should have never had a clue that one fine day in January 2021, he will be judged by the wisest women in the earth. Right? I am signing off civil justice for him right now. I am not a lawyer and he is a lawyer. And it is the greatest honor a president can get. Right? Why? Because he is providing, by resigning, he will provide a pathway for healthy pathways. I should only lead the USA. I am the true owner of USA. That is just one part. I am native Indian tribe that defaults to I do not need any voting. Then USA is a true Tamil Nadu. I've been proving that every single day. USA is a Tamil Nadu. And that is why I want the death penalty for all the absolute monarchs to be provided only in the state of Hawaii in volcano. Because state of Hawaii is Tamil Nadu. Now tell me what is President Joe Biden going to do about that? When there is a truth that is revealed to the national leader that the state of Hawaii is Tamil Nadu. Right? So there is scandal that's been highest priority that needs to be fixed. Family law services should be fixed, and I only should be the family law civil judge for not only USA, for entire nation, and I only should be providing signing of family law services worldwide forever, because I am only displaying all the scandals of the family law broken services, and I know how to provide healthy services, right? So what can President Joe Biden can do? Sign off job offer immediately. And for me displaying the all the government errors, it is President Joe Biden that needs to pay me tax-free $1 billion immediately, direct deposit to my account, for me to take care of my basic essentials, right? I need to pay my rental bill, I need to pay my utility bill. I'm in absolute finance crisis. And does even President Joe Biden even know what is the emotional torture that's been provided when civilians are in finance crisis? Yes, I am the richest person right now, today. As of today, Hewlett Packard have to pay me the salary for I displayed the deadliest crime called Medicare crime scandal. Hewlett Packard needs to be simply sealed and shut off right now, immediately. And they have to be in jail only for provided the Medicare scandal. Microsoft have to pay me salary. Google have to pay me salary. Then Apple have to pay me salary. Amazon have to pay me salary. Berkshire Hathaway have to pay me salary. And JP Morgan Chase and all the bank corps organization must pay me the salary, because I displayed all the systems errors and they are all in a crashed mode. Everything got collapsed. Everybody's blood is boiling after all. I am aware of that. I'm totally aware of that, to be on the same page. I am providing the wisdom education, and why on the earth everybody's blood is boiling is because everybody got educated that Pope Francis only destroyed everything. Down to the human feelings level, he destroyed everything. Even on the feelings level, even he went into destroying to the DNA structure cells levels of human beings also. Is he a human? He will never get any forgiveness from God. I will not forgive. See, whether even, let's say, even if God is a God of true Christianity, being a agape unconditional love God, even if God wants to forgive Pope Francis, I will not forgive Pope Francis. That is how I can prove who is true God is true God. Right? I will just, see here, you all should know that even each and every single Islam leaders has been handcuffed by me. That means Iran leader and Israel leader, fake Israel leader, right? I am using that word fake, meaning it is absolutely fake Israel. That is a different crime. And what President Joe Biden is going to do about that? All along they have been believing a fake Israel as a Israel itself is a scandal and a scandal, deadliest crime, and brains have been tortured. Right? There needs to be medical compensation that needs to be provided. Who gave earth for United States of America to acknowledge a fake Israel as an Israel? Yes, I know there is an innocent part in the United States of America. Right? But then the crime level is deadliest. He got all the curse. President Joe Biden got all the curse of Vatican. He has to resign. No other go. And it is the same civil justice I was providing in the President Trump administration also. I only said President Trump should resign. Beyond that, they were only listening to my wisdom only. Because see, worldwide it is known that Babylonians, they are aware that the true Israelites are very highest wisdom. Okay? And only true Israelite can guide the nation in the rightful way. I am a true Israelite tribe, Christian Jew. That is why I am able to guide all the national governments in a healthy way. And I proved how I was able to I was running all the nations, and how all the national governments were listening to me correctly, in a silence only they were listening. And all the task has been provided. See, I already said that the entire President Trump's supporters, they know whatever task President Trump did, right? That is why they are supporters of President Trump. Well, what is the difference? They just never knew that it was only because of me the President Trump was providing the task. They never knew that. And I do not like that public attention and the crowd part. So that is why I just want to be, I want to live a peaceful life. I want civil justice to be served. That's all. So that means, now tell me, it is only because of my education only President Trump was hiring and firing all the government officials. You all must be aware. Immigration, DACA officers, the chief officers, the Pentagon leader, right? And then Department of Health leader, that lady, I don't know the name. Everybody got fired. Everybody got laid off, just like that. Right? It was only because of my wisdom education. Because I would say the Republicans administration got wisdom, and even the Democrat administration during the President Obama administration was also getting a lot of wisdom. It was only because of my wisdom only. Even President Obama, who was a lawyer, was also able to provide the task. And nobody knew that it was only because of my education. I am the only one stood up and slapped on the face of President Obama, and he is the only first president to step into the federal prison facilities to witness how innocent population are thrown in the jail just because of being innocent. And he is the only first president because of my education only after my education only he started to sign off the criminal justice reform. And in that time frame and during that president administration time frame, there were so many federal prison inmates, they were released for free. Close to 3,000 people were released free. It was because of me. Even the prison inmates never knew it was me. It was only because of me the process was provided. Because it is all a team effort process that's going on. It is going on forever because I already provide all the tasks that's needed. I already said design phase 1 is done. Completely, perfectly. It is finished. Only design phase 2 and 3 should be done. Yes, I am the richest person as of now. Do you all know that? I own all the nations, all the government agencies, public services and private sectors, they have to pay me the salary. Because I displayed all the system errors in everything with the proof. And they are all in a total shock. They don't know what to do because every system is crashed. When I am going to say the weekdays are a scandal of Pope and just remove all the names of the days, do not have it in the system, they will just faint and pass out. Microsoft and everybody will faint and pass out. Because whatever they built, it will all gone vain mode. Means imagine how much of emotional torture, how much of loss they will get into. I can bail out them. I can bail out Microsoft. I can bail out all the government agencies. I can bail out government administration population, everybody. Yes, like for me, I am telling out loud, right? That my blood is boiling because of the injustice after injustice, broken services, everything. All the other people are also undergoing the same blood boiling mode only. They are not talking and I am talking. I am the mouthpiece for 7.9 plus billions of humans who cannot talk. I am also the mouthpiece for each and every national government population. That means Senate cannot talk and I am talking for Senate. Congress cannot talk and I am talking for Congress, because I am the mouthpiece. Because there are situations where people cannot talk. They have to chew the reality in silence. Not able to talk more, live in the torture mode. That is a lot of hell the civilians have to undergo through. So without fixing all that is broken, the government should not even dare to start to operate. So how that process can be even provided? I should step in. I should start the job immediate. And for that, USA only have to sign the job offer to me. Right? Yes, I am in a pauper mode right now. Because I have I do not have enough fundings in my bank account. Then how will I pay for my basic essentials? It is a USA government's accountability and responsibility to take care of me well. Why? Because I am the one who is guiding the national operations on how to do the national operations in wisdom way. Right? Okay, so I'll continue with this civil justice process. Okay, all nations and all USA nations and all nations across worldwide, as of January 2021, must never have any foolish leprosy, domestic type violence, divorce of any type, and it is there. It is created by Pope Francis. The Liprabica Jesuits mandated enforced foolish leprosy, domestic violence type divorce versions worldwide to destroy human brain nerve cells to be tortured with exponential pain and agony, increased and inflicted on the brain nerve cells to be tortured forever. For only tax mandate health process code of abuse law of Vatican health created worldwide and destroyed humanity with fatal negligence and enforced human brain nerves damages worldwide for fellow mankind. Okay, so that is why civil justice to be served now, and that is why President Joe Biden is also handcuffed mode. You all should know why President Joe Biden in the third day is handcuffed mode means there should not be any divorce and any divorce programs as of now. It is there. And the deadliest crime is the family law justice services is broken in pieces. Deadliest crime, there is no other crime to provide a wrongful injustice, a family law. Oh my, so he cannot give any excuse. Nobody can help President Joe Biden at this point of time. Nobody. See, can you all see how he is fallen in trap of the Vatican and he got all the curses? He should resign now immediately. So in disease life cycle, always disease creator is only highest fault and never innocent. And based on severity of disease, death penalty is healthy, human wellness is the birthright. So Pope Francis, absolute monarchs only created divorce, so they have to get out on the volcano in Hawaii, and that is the death penalty. That is according to the guidelines of Holy Bible. It's the healthy standards of human process. Okay. So Pope Francis should pay $500,000 trillion to total population for Pope Francis created deadliest domestic violence divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Okay, and then Pope Francis only created Mother Teresa organization. So Mother Teresa orphan organization should pay $500,000 trillion to total population. For Pope Francis only created deadliest domestic violence divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells to for the entire world worldwide with fatal negligence. Then Pope Francis only created deadliest or non-profit organizations such as Salvation Army, UNICEF, AmeriCorps, American Red Cross, Habitat for Human, UNICEF Worldwide, Angel Tree, Christian Missionary Worldwide, Mother Teresa Orphanage Organization in India with fatal negligence. So that is why each non-profit organization should pay $500,000 trillion to total population worldwide. For Pope Francis alone created the deadliest domestic violence, the divorce, to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then Pope Francis only created all the illusionized festivals. The festivals, each and every single festivals must be celebrated for their true meaning, but it is not celebrated for the true meaning. Rather, it was celebrated only on an illusion level. It was based on a ritual level. On a simplest example, true Merry Christmas is the real true love festival that needs to be celebrated every single day, not just one day, every single day is a wisdom. I will explain that later on. Okay, but then how that illusion Pope Francis provided gift, right? Gift of love is a gift. Gift of sharing is a gift. But then he provided an illusion and he enforced population to spend more and make it as a ritual, meaning pressurizing, making people to think that they have to by default have to get a gift and by default have to give it to the people. Otherwise, they are in a guilty mode. They are put it on the guilt mode just because they are not able to afford a gift during the Christmas time. Can you see that illusion? And even that was also created for the tax mandate. Why? When people are spending more, the tax will be added on more, and Pope Francis will eat the tax. That is why he wanted to provide that illusion of getting a gift also. So the that made a illusion, right? It became a fake mode. So then, if you see the gifting process cycle, people for namesake they'll get something, right? They'll go, they'll not give any good gifts or whatever it is, because they are pressurized. They are in a money budgeting is also hitting on the monthly for the middle class population. They have to get the gift mode, pressurized mode, otherwise in a shame and guilt mode. So can you see how each and every single civilians are thrown into the emotional torture in different levels, even on celebrating the healthiest festival where people are not enforced, were not enforced not to celebrate the festival in a healthy way. Worldwide, why then there are family feuds and family fights and arguments on a healthy festival days worldwide? What is the root cause? Everything traces only to Vatican. So entire human kingdom blood is boiling right now is all I can understand. All I'm saying is just stay calm. We need to address all the crime one by one and just take down the absolute monarch Satans in ashes in the rightful way. Right? Because they'll walk out free. Okay, so Merry Christmas Festival, Santa Claus, Elves, All Saints Day, All Souls Day, Ash Wednesday, President's Day, Memorial Day, Veterans Day. Now tell me, if all these festivals are healthiest, then why on the earth there is divorce? Deadliest crime. It is the deadliest hell a civilian can be enforced with. I would say it is a crucifixion. It is a worst type of crucifixion that can be enforced on a civilian. I already said people do not get married to get divorced. But then, all these kind of a hell of injustice and abusive in-laws and abusive population, abusive friends, abusive colleagues, how are these people created? Only Pope Francis. Pope Francis only teaches innocent population, go be abusive friends, go be backstabbers. So that is why the disease creators are the never innocent. Okay? President Joe Biden is innocent. Pope Francis is not innocent. That is what I'm educating on the wisdom level and different layers of innocence. Then Happy New Year Festival, then Happy Easter Festival, Good Friday Festival, Happy Valentine's Day Festival, Happy Halloween Festival, Happy St. Patrick's Festival, Happy Mardi Gras Festival, Happy Diwali Festival of Lights, then Happy Holi Festival, then Happy Ramadan, Happy Eid Mubarak, Happy Muharram, Happy Hanukkah Festival. And you know what, the burqa and hijab, all the clothing will be thrown on the volcano immediately. The Islam population are in blood will be boiling, being aware of the scandal that's going on right now, worldwide. So hijab, burqa clothing was created for what? Only for tax mandate alone, nothing else. And it was created on a shame process model, created by Pope Francis. See, when I'm providing these crimes, what the President Joe Biden is going to do, he's just going to faint and pass. Because there is no fix for anything. Whatever I'm saying, there is no fix for anything. But saying I can fix it means I only can fix it. Nobody can fix it. I only should be the supreme family law civil judge for all nations as of now. President Joe Biden should sign me the job as well. Because I only can provide healthiest family law services for entire civilians worldwide. So yes, all these festivals must pay $500,000 trillion to total population worldwide for Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist created deadliest domestic violence divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells of fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, right, all the 7 days of the week, and the months as in January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. September, October, November, December, then seconds, minutes, then months, then years, right? 24 hours time frame. All must pay $500,000 trillion to see total population. For Pope Francis only created deadliest domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain as well for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then the solar planets, as in Mars, Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Neptune, Uranus, Earth, Pluto, Saturn, Sun, Moon, stars, galaxy, Milky Way, oceans, fire, lands, mountains, total plant kingdom, total animal kingdom. Right? Do you all know the deadliest scandal of the solar system? Oh, President Joe Biden head is going to only break forever. I don't know what he's going to do. He's a liar. There is only one planet as of today in Earth, and that is only planet Earth. Now tell me what you are going to do about that. All the other planets which we all got educated in the school days, like 9 planets and sun, like that is what we all got educated. Everything's wrong in education curriculum. So the brain nerve cells was provided on the innocent younger generation. The children population brain nerves is also mandated to be destroyed, right? We all see when we are adults mode. We all know today that there is only one planet Earth. All the other planets are what? Do you all know what it is? You are going to puke. It is all Roman gods, prostitution gods, paganism gods, names named after that. And who named it? Pope Francis, the Lucifer. Is he going to say that he knows what is wrong? Or is he going to say that Pope Francis don't know what is wrong? Being a Roman Empire leader, Vatican leader. You tell me. Can you all see how that traced everything only to the Pope Francis? So tell me, when I'm going to say to the President Joe Biden, see, the solar system is being destroyed and all the planets that's been displayed to the population, it's all an imaginary planet which does not even exist, and it's all created by only Pope Francis, and even the NASA, the satellite services, is also created by Pope Francis to destroy the human brain cells only, means what on the earth the President Joe Biden is going to do? Will he going to seal and shut down NASA services? Then we will not get any internet. We all will not get any internet if NASA services is sealed and shut down. Can you all see how Pope Francis made everybody to be in the dependent mode and cannot be doing anything about the broken part mode? Why national leaders were not able to fix any of the broken services mode? Tell me, Mars, Mercury, so for whatever brain damage is provided, Pope Francis have to pay the medical finance compensation, because there is never a planet called Mars, there's never a planet called Venus. It's all imaginary planets. And tell me what the population are going to do now. They are in super mad mode and they cannot talk, and I'm talking for them. National leaders are in super mad mode, they cannot talk, I'm talking for them. So President Joe Biden must be the happiest president in entire earth as of now. Beyond I am judging and I am providing civil justice for President Joe Biden, he should be in a position to be aware that at last President administration was searching for me. President Obama administration was searching for me to sign up job offer. And President Trump administration was also searching for me to sign up job offer. Because of the roadblocks only I was not getting the job. I should have been the Supreme Civil Judge on year 2018 itself. And I will provide that scandal later, and President Trump is going to provide all the price for that. Right? He's going to provide the price for all that. Even the Supreme Judge Amy Barrett got elected in 2020. That is also a deadly scandal. $1 trillion worth of scandal. What is President Joe Biden going to do about that? When Pope Francis is a Satan, The entire Supreme judges are slaves to Pope. Don't you all think the Supreme Judges organization should be sealed and shut down immediately, and everything, whatever they provided for justice, everything is wrong? Everything is wrong is proved. That means even the entire civil, divorce population should get the medical compensation from USA government immediately now. Everything of this divorce services provided was wrong. Line by line is wrong. Right? Everything is wrong. Criminal justice is wrong, civil justice is wrong, everything is wrong. What is President Joe Biden going to do? Is he going to shut down the Supreme Judge organization? They are all fearing for losing their job only to me. I already said I finished everybody's job worldwide. And yes, this total plant kingdom, total animal kingdom, all must pay $500,000 trillion to entire human population for Pope Francis only created deadliest domestic violence divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then I want everybody in the worldwide to just listen to my wisdom education in silence, okay? Now tell me, Antichrist alias, Satan alias, Lucifer alias, Holocaust Nazism, Roman Catholics, okay? Vatican Pope Francis Satan organization is in state of Wisconsin. So that means there should not be any divorce in the United States of America as of now. That is a live proof that Pope Francis is a Satan. What is President Joe Biden going to do about that? Can he go and seal and shut down that Jesuits organization in state of Wisconsin? Can he do that? He cannot. He is a slave to Pope Francis. He is a slave to Queen of England. I already said. But then, if I'm going to step in and start guiding the nation in a healthy way, I will just seal and shut down that organization immediately, and I will provide healthy process of what next in a healthy way. Because I only can fix it. So it is just not only one satanic organization that Pope Francis created in, say, state of Wisconsin. There are more satanic organizations he created. I will read it out loud. You all work on what to do. And be aware that why President Joe Biden is at fault and handcuffed mode. Okay? Pope Francis Satan created satanic organization in state of New York. And is state of New York going to be sealed and shut down? Can you all understand the severity of the crime and why President Joe Biden is handcuffed mode? Why I am asking him to just get out of the White House mode? There is a reason behind it. He should understand by now why this lady is shouting, why this lady is frustrated, why this lady is asking the president to get out of the White House means. That is a wise reason behind it. Just listen to me without asking me any questions is what I am asking for a task. So Pope Francis is Satan, Lucifer only created state of Michigan, Detroit. Can President Joe Biden seal and shut down state of Michigan? You tell me, can he? Antichrist Pope Francis, the Satan, Lucifer only created satanic organization in state of New England. Can President Joe Biden seal and shut down New England right now? Antichrist alias Pope Francis, Lucifer only created Holocaust Nazism satanic organization in state of Maryland. Can President Joe Biden seal and shut down state of Maryland less than 1 second now? Can he? Then Antichrist alias Satan, Lucifer alias Hell Creator, the Holocaust Nazism created only satanic organization in state of New Orleans. Can President Joe Biden seal and shut down state of New Orleans? You tell me. You all tell me. Can he? Antichrist Pope Francis, the Satan, the Lucifer, only created state of Missouri. Can President Joe Biden seal and shut down state of Missouri? Because it's that Pope Francis created a satanic organization in that state. Can he? Can you all see the deadliest crime and why President Joe Biden, being lawyer, is a classified domestic violence, and because of the breach of duty, because he never fixed all these things that needs to be fixed long time back, right? Because he's been in the government forever, right? So he should have taken care of that. But he never did that because he got all the luxury. He was richest. He was wealthiest. He never knew what is a poverty. So that means he never knew what the poverty population are undergoing through. Right? Then what is President Joe Biden is going to do about the Ferguson, Missouri or the Flint, Michigan issue? What is he going to do? Tell me. For that crime alone, I will only seal and shut down Democrat government as of now. Because that is the government that is going to start operation. Right? I will seal and shut down Democrat administration, and also will ask the President Joe Biden, thank you for your services. Be a shortest day president for USA. Just go back to your hometown and enjoy your retirement life. This is what I will say to him. Because he cannot fix it, whatever that is undergoing, whatever torture that people are undergoing in state of Missouri and state of Michigan. Every single day people are tortured and killed. Who is the reason for that? Pope Francis. And he cannot slap Pope Francis because he's a slave to flow. So can you all see the chain reaction of the crime and how he got the curse? And why I was preventing him not to be a president at the first place? And why that Capitol riot disaster was also a good thing, in fact, actually. It was created to provide an indirect message, communication to the entire nation. Hey, stop and listen. There is some deadly scandals going on. Please listen. That is what they were trying to educate. People never got it. Because the blindest eyes, they cannot listen to the wisdom. They see illusion only up front. And they live with it. The society is built out of only illusion, right? They are the ones who form the certifications of, oh, this is the certification for holy marriage. This is the certification for education, like that. People go by, are you certified? Only then we can even think of giving you and, consider for any job skills like that. But then, it is all created in a scandal way for tax mandate only. Everything was created for tax mandate, be it education and everything. Right? See, okay, that is only state of Missouri. Now there are two more states. So Antichrist Alliance, Satan Pope Francis, created satanic organization where? State of California. Now, did you get why software world is in total shock mode? They are freaked out mode. Can you all understand? Can President Joe Biden seal and shut down state of California? He cannot. Why? The proof is Vice President Kamala Harris is from California, right? Speaker Nancy Pelosi is also from California. There are so many senates and governments are from California. How on the earth President Joe Biden will even dare to seal and shut down California because Pope Francis created Satan organization in California? Can you all see how the roadblocks is created in a different micro detailed level? Software world is only in California. So when I'm going to seal and shut down California, software world, Silicon Valley, each and every single software world will be sealed and shut down there. So will President Joe Biden be able to do that task? He cannot, right? That is why he is handcuffed. That is why I'm asking, I'm slapping on his face directly, and I'm asking, oh, President Joe Biden, better get out of the White House right now, less than 1 second, and go to your hometown and celebrate your retirement life. I will take care. I will step in and guide the USA in the rightful pathway. I can fix it. I can only absolutely fix it. Then Pope Francis the Satan also created state of Oregon. Tell me, will President Joe Biden be able to seal and shut down state of Oregon? Can he do that? He cannot, right? That is why he is handcuffed. Got it? Because he's been proving that he's never a leader. He's been proving he's never a leader every day. I already started to prove that I am a leader. What? Just in 2 weeks or so, only first week of January only I started providing public awareness education, right? And for that alone, President Joe Biden should immediately sign off billions of dollars of salary to me, because wisdom is the costliest one. Foolish is also costliest one, right? When you are going to destroy a national operation, that is foolish and it is costly. But wisdom is free, and yet is this costliest. It is an excellent gift of true love that I am sharing with my fellow mankind. Why would I even have to waste my time and provide a labor to provide a public awareness? What do I gain out of that? You tell me, what do I gain out of that? Providing my hard labor of providing wisdom education and public awareness to the population. Out of that, what do I gain? You all tell me, what do I gain? Do I gain anything? I don't know anybody. Right? At least you can, oh, it's because of this, it is because of, no. Right? So there is a reason behind it. Because I am the only one who is going to get the medical finance aid compensation for 7.9 plus billions of humans. Okay? Do you all know that in the President Trump administration, President Trump was only listening to my wisdom education. Okay? And nobody knew. The President Trump supporters do not know that I only was educating all the wisdom. It is because of my wisdom only he was providing the task that needs to be done, like veterans affairs, medical affairs reform. Right? Military population needs to get the rightful services for whatever they are provided. And I was educating in the rightful way. Actually those programs was educated in the President Obama administration itself. And he was not able to provide those tasks because the Republicans were blocking it. President Obama was not able to provide any healthy options because Republicans upfront they blocked it, because they do not want the Democrats to get the good name. That is the reason. But beyond that, when God is there, nobody can do any kind of destruction, right? That is very true. Right? Because President Obama created that affordable health care, Medicaid for population, right? Poverty population. It is only because of my wisdom education only he was providing that extended, upgraded versions of more healthier options was added in those programs. Do you all know what programs was added? Just so in that in one of that was criminal justice reform and veterans medical affairs reform, and he was not able to sign off that veterans medical affairs reforms. Only President Trump was able to sign it because I told you the roadblocks were provided, right? And then only because of my education, President Obama signed off the criminal justice reform. And then what more task I accomplished? He signed that community college, technical colleges, right, across all the states. He was the one who signed up immediately with my wisdom education, providing that households, children, the younger generation can get the free education in the college level. And then they can pay it back when they go back to the workforce. Right? It was a healthy option, right? Because people are not able to get into the college mode only because it's costliest. Otherwise, each and every single household will have healthy college education, right? So I was providing a baseline guidelines for that, and that was one of the important tasks. And President Joe Biden have all the proof right now. He don't even have to go and ask anybody for the proof. If he's going to ask President Trump, he's going to tell all the tasks I provided. And if he's going to ask President Joe Obama, he's going to tell all the tasks I provided. And that is all is needed for the proof, if at all he needs. I already said he can just close his eyes, blindness, and sign of job offer to me. But then the crime level which I'm displaying is highest. Family law justice is broken in pieces, right? It was never ever fixed. I don't know for how long President Obama and President Trump was in the entire government services, but looking into the age category, I think the President Joe Biden was in more time in the government. And how many hours and minutes and days and years and months and decades were wasted just because of the fatal negligence, and he provided the breach of duty. He never bothered to fix his family justice law services when entire civil population in the diverse population were crying, shedding tears of agony. Oh government, please provide help. Oh government, please provide help means nobody provided that help. Right? So I only have to step in and even guide how that family law services should be provided. So that means I have to be the supreme judge to provide the family law services as well. So yes, so all these states, right? They have to pay $500,000 trillion to total population. For Pope Francis only created deadliest crime, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind. Then all Nobel Prize winners population should also pay $500,000 trillion to total population. For Pope Francis only created divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells, to destroy the brain nerve cells of fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then Babylon Empire, then Greece Empire, then Persia Empire, as in Iran and Afghanistan. Iran leader default death penalty has been allocated. So they cannot escape the death. That's what I'm trying to educate you all, okay? All the Islam leaders and fake Israel leader Netanyahu, I think I pronounced this name correct as well. If I pronounce it wrong, I'm sorry, I will address as a fake Israel leader. They all are going to get into the volcano in Hawaii only because they destroyed the entire family law justice process, been destroyed in pieces. Broken in pieces means just like glass shattered, it got shattered. So there is no fix. Impossible to fix it. It's just impossible. Can you all see how that tax agency and the Department of Justice agencies in worldwide in each nation is also broken and sealed and shut down and should be only going to jail because of all the wrong operations they have provided in past 500 years worldwide. Everything of family justice services provided is wrong. Injustice, punishing the innocent for being innocent. Egypt, Cairo Empire as in Giza Pyramid, Islam, Judaism, the Hell Mandate, World Health Organization, headquartered in United States of America, the Great Babylon, United Arab Emirates. So Emirates, the Emirate leaders, oh no, we are the Dubai, we are the gasoline producers for the United States. No, they cannot say anything. I will say get out in the volcano and get lost. Be fried in the ashes and be gone, like that. Right? Who are them to destroy the holy justice services worldwide? Who are them to destroy the divorce family law justice processes in pieces? And enforce the torture, deadliest crucifixion for divorced population worldwide, to be left with a lifetime scar, to be marked and bullied by the educated foolish people worldwide. Who is going to create the damages for that? Can Dubai leader, can United Arab Emirates Arab leader can pay $500,000 trillion to each civilian worldwide, to total population worldwide? He is going to pay it. I don't know how he is going to pay it. He can say, no, we are always saying Assalamu alaikum, which means peace to God, so please forgive. I will say, go say that in the volcano, like that. Just get out. I will say. Right? Because they destroyed the absolute holiest government operations worldwide. people are boiling in being aware of the injustice. Because I'm providing the education, they got the education right now. They just cannot tolerate the injustice, being aware that Pope Francis only destroyed everything. And civil justice must be served. Now, without civil justice served, government cannot even operate. So fake Israel leader, Western Wall as of today is called as Oman, Syria, Turkey, the Ottoman Empire, Iraq, all Islam nations must provide Islam nations, as in Europe nations. Then Eurasia means Queen of England went and destroyed every single nation, and she enslaved all nations already. Okay, so the enslaved puppet nations are what? Russia, China, they are all come under the category of Eurasian nations. Do you all know that? Russia, China, Japan, Korea, Malaysia, Singapore, then Hong Kong, Taiwan, Thailand, Philippines. Right? So, this is the deadliest crime that needs to be addressed, and medical compensation should be provided immediately. As of now, more. Then there is the Roman Empire, the Great Babylon Empire. The Europe nations in the worldwide map, that is the Roman Empire right now. Okay? And that is the land of skulls called Golgotha, where they crucified Jesus Christ. So it's not a scam. Okay, I will talk about that later. I do not want to get into that right now. So, what is the Roman Empire nations as of today? London, Prague, Poland, Czech, Australia, Austria, Slovakia, Slovenia, Bulgaria, Romania. Then comes Hungary, right? Then Finland, Greenland, Ireland, Iceland, then Ireland, then Scotland, then Norway. Right, then New Zealand, Denmark, Australia, Sweden, Spain, Portuguese, France, Germany, and all the other Europe and Babylon nations which I might have left out include that as well. And extended Europe nation is United States of America, the Great Babylon. And then Las Vegas, the Sin City. Tell me, when Las Vegas, Sin City is the happiest, healthiest in the earth, why would there be even divorce in the earth? Right? So can you all understand why all the hell creations was created just for the tax mandate, just for to destroy the holy marriage law, to then to create divorce? It's all a chain reaction. Right? It's all a chain reaction. So that is why I am educating the wiseful wisdom, what needs to be done, that needs to be done, right? We all know. When there needs to be highest priority issue that needs to be fixed, that needs to be fixed. We cannot just ignore and just keep on moving with an illusion. No, that needs to be fixed. Okay, then there is a Holy Bible, right? When Holy Bible is healthiest, then why would there be a divorce? Right? Can you all see the crime level? Either Pope Francis should say he knows Holy Bible. Either or Pope Francis should say he don't know Holy Bible. Either way, he got handcuffed and he will just been thrown in the volcano is the wisdom. Got it? Either if he's going to say any of those answers, either ways, medical compensation needs to be provided to the total population, because the destruction is created to the innocent population is highest level. Population are getting tortured every single day. When I am providing the testimony right now, worldwide, there are innocent civilian peoples who are undergoing through the deadliest divorce hell process and dying out of injustice. Don't you all think immediately this process needs to be fixed? And I only should be the supreme chief family judge service provider to provide the family law for entire civilians who were seeking for divorce? because I know how to fix it and I only know how to provide healthy civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines. President Joe Biden have to sign off job right now for me. Even at the handcuffed mode, he should sign off the job offer only to me. That is all a bailout process I can provide for him. Right? And then Holy Bible have to pay $500,000 trillion to total population for Pope Francis created deadliest domestic violence for to destroy the human brain cells in pieces with fatal negligence. Then Pope Francis, Satan only created Illuminati, OPDI, Freemasonry, Council for Foreign Relations as in software world. Can you all see how they are going to, how Microsoft, Apple and Google are freaked out and they are in a very shocked mode. They are handcuffed mode as well. They are at fault mode. And entertainment media means movies, Hollywood, Disney, Pictures, they are all handcuffed mode. So President Joe Biden and entertainment people and everybody are in the same boat. They're all handcuffed and they're all placed on the justice weighing machine in the law of court. And I'm sign off, as written in the Holy Bible. Whatever predicted by the forefathers in the Holy Bible is only happening now. World is ending for good. Yes, United States of America government is collapsed. Accept the reality, digest it realities. It's all for good, right? Once when we identify the true cause for all the destruction, then it has to be destroyed. We cannot keep on having those broken systems, right? It has to be destroyed in pieces, in ashes. Create new, everything new, and then live in peace. That is the process I'm going to provide, and that is I only can provide. Nobody can provide. Everybody knows that. So President Joe Biden must have that awareness right now. He is going to listen to me only. So I have the proof, and he also has the proof that earlier 2 presidents were listening to my wisdom education. So by default, President Joe Biden must listen only to my education over the go. And for that, President Joe Biden have to sign off job offer to me. Yes, I am pauper mode right now. But I need to get enough salary. I need to get the finance aid. I'm all asking for the rightful thing because USA owes me a lot of salary. They have to pay me the salary. Right? When Hewlett Packard, Medicaid, Medicare is $1 trillion worth of a deadliest crime and scandal that needs to be sealed and shut down immediately, it is Hewlett Packard have to pay me $1 billion salary right now. And yes, after all these things, and what more of civil justice that need to be signed? For I am displaying deadliest crimes of Antichrist, Satan, Lucifer, Pope Francis to USA government, civil justices. Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, destroyed the national operations and for created deadliest Holocaust Nazism worldwide, must resign now. And I become Vatican leader immediately with the salary of $250,000 per annum to provide patented design solutions task in next 5 years and beyond, and I can quit early as needed. And I have to become Chief Supreme Civil Judge of USA and all nations to lead all the justice service, and I have to be the Family Law Supreme Judge to provide the family law services for all the nations worldwide. And then I have to be the Supreme Chief Global Poverty Relief Medical Director, Public Mental Health Service Provider, to lead the Center for Disease Control, to lead the World Health Organization and all the medical services and all the welfare services worldwide, and also to lead and guide the tax services, and also to lead and guide the Department of Health and Services worldwide. And then, for I am displaying the deadliest Pope Francis, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, the Pope Francis teams to the USA government, I am only eligible to be the Chief of Police General to lead entire FBI, CIA, National Intelligence, Pentagon, Military, Navy, Army, Marine, Navy SEALs. And then within double quotes, I want the Lord Ripon building in the Tamil Nadu should be renamed after my name, and all nations will thank me infinite later. Then another justice, civil justices. Each absolute monarch's faces of Pope Francis across the globe wide, as in Egypt Pope, Greece Pope, Russia Pope, Sicily, Italy Pope, Sicily, Italy Archbishop, and co-prince of Andorra and Spain. Then France leader and co-prince of Andorra and Spain. Then Queen of England Elizabeth II. Then Islam leaders of Organization of Islam Cooperation. Then United Arab Emirates leaders, Dalai Lama, Guru Nanak, Yoga Gurus, human gods addressed as Pharisees. When all these people are healthy providers, why would there be even divorce hell, a tax mandate? So, must should pay tax free $500,000 trillion civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever for Satan Pope Francis only created foolish foolish leprosy, domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells of fellow mankind, for fellow mankind to destroy the human brain of fellow mankind worldwide with fatal negligence. Then then more civil justices. Each state and Roman province Jesuits leader in 50 states of USA must pay $500,000 trillion to total population for Pope Francis created the deadliest domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain of fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Then USA national flag, then USA Pledge of Allegiance, then USA national anthem, then USA Statue of Liberty, then USA all amendments. If all these were providing only healthy services, why would there be divorce hell for enforced for crucifixion for the fellow mankind to destroy the brain nerve cells? So they all must pay $500,000 trillion to total population worldwide daily forever for Pope Francis created divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells of fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Okay, and then I would like to stop with this session, and I will continue with one more session, and that is I hope that will be the last of the session in signing of the civil justice for the deadliest crime, domestic violence. Pope Francis, the Antichrist, the Satan, the Lucifer created, deadliest domestic violence, divorce to destroy the human brain nerve cells of fellow mankind with fatal negligence. Okay, that is why I am signing off civil justice. And yes, the family law justice services is broken in pieces. And yes, and yes, and yes, and yes, and yes, President Joe Biden is handcuffed mode for at fault and found guilty in all crimes, deadliest crimes of Vatican. And yes, he got the curses of Vatican. And yes, he has to resign immediately, and he should get out of the White House for the healthiest human standards process according to the Holy Bible standards, right? And allow and President Joe Biden sign off the job offer to me, and that get the honor for that forever, right? And I'm providing all the healthy wisdom process, and I hope you all are happiest and being educated on wisdom I'm providing, and we are all working on as a team process as a soldiers of God. And yes, and you all should know that yes, I reached out to television channels, right, to help me to be live telecasted with all the testimony, but I did not get any response. And you all know whatever scandal that is going on, it is all because even the television channels are what? They are also absolute puppets and slaves to the Pope Francis, right? So that is why I'm providing this route. That way, at least when I'm educating the public awareness, at least out of 7.9 plus billions worldwide, at least if one civilian listens to my wisdom, then I wish that wisdom. I wish the civil justice is served in the rightful way, at the rightful time, so that entire human kingdom can be compensated rightfully with the rightful medical compensation. And I'm only going to get all the civil justice for all the humans, all the nations worldwide. Okay, and I keep on saying, please be patient. Yes, your blood will be boiling, being aware that Pope Francis destroyed every single thing considered as for humanity. He destroyed everything of humanity worldwide. He even destroyed the human cell structures level, he destroyed, right? The DNA cells also he mandated to destroy. And he enforced entire human mankind to marry wrong humans. Do you all know the crime behind that? And whatever that is happening, whatever happening that is right now, it is all because of that error only. What is that error? Entire 7.9 plus billions of humans was enforced and mandated to marry wrong humans without any awareness. And can you all see the brain damage that was enforced on an emotional level, on feelings level, to be wasted and to live with an illusion? After all, yes, and one more time I want to convey that the divorced population, civilians, are the holiest population in whole entire human kingdom. They are the wisest population after all, right? And they should be the ones who must be taken care of well by the nation, because they are the ones who are providing the healthiest operation to the nation government just by filing divorce. Because they have taken the wisest choice not to be in the toxic relationship. Don't you all think that is the healthiest choice that civilian is providing as a soldier of God? Being a veteran, being a soldier of God means what? Being an army, navy, everything that comes under the classification of military. So they are the ones who are providing the healthiest operations to the nations. And don't you all think that the nations worldwide should provide all the free benefits to the diverse populations worldwide? Everything should be free for them after all. Right? But then it is not. Why? Because Pope Francis provided all kind of health tax mandate for the enforced with the shame logo, false persecution. False shame, everything created for only tax mandate. And sadly, the divorced population are in a poverty mode. They are enforced in poverty. By the time they finish through the divorce process civilians will be in the poverty mode, being in a homeless mode, being in stranded on the road mode. Even the families cannot help more, right? Nobody can help. Colleagues can workforce and friends. Nobody can help these divorced people, because it is all emotional level torture, right? So don't you all think that it is a nation's government's accountability and responsibility to step in and guide and provide all that is needed as a basic essentials, excellent way to the diverse population? So anyways, I leave as is for now. So I will continue with the next section, and I hope I will finish the signing of civil justice for the domestic violence divorce that destroys the human brain nerve cells and creates emotional wastage and creates feelings wastage, and how the family members and the extended family members, relatives, everybody gets impacted by that. Right? So medical compensation must be provided in the rightful and healthy way. So it will be given, okay? So rightful civil justice will be provided, and I can provide it in 1 minute, just 1 minute, okay? So we are all working as a team, so be patient and take care. Bye for now.